In today's video, we'll show you how to manage the complete customer support workflow with Iperius Remote and Iperius One. Let's start from the customer's computer. To request assistance, click the Support Request icon in the upper section of the interface. In the Request Assistance window, select the company that should receive the support request. Next, enter a short and clear title that identifies the problem. In the description field, provide additional information about the issue, including any error messages and the actions that have already been attempted. When the information is complete, click Send Request. The ticket is created and automatically sent to the support team associated with the customer's device group. Now let's switch to the support operator's computer. To take responsibility for the request, click Take. The ticket is assigned to the current operator, and its status changes from pending to assigned. To start the remote support session, click Connect directly from the ticket. Iperius Remote automatically connects to the device associated with the request. The operator can now control the remote desktop, investigate the reported issue, transfer files when needed, chat with the customer, and use the available remote support tools. The duration of the remote connection is automatically recorded and associated with the ticket. This information will later be available for reporting and billing. Once the problem has been resolved and confirmed with the customer, end the remote session. Iperius Remote asks whether you want to mark the ticket as resolved. Click Yes to complete the ticket. When a ticket is completed, its sessions, duration, assigned operator, customer information, and support history remain available in Iperius One. To review the completed intervention, open the Iperius One console and go to Ticketing, then Tickets. The ticket details page centralizes all the information related to the support activity. To generate the billing document, open Billing and select Invoices. Click Generate Invoice. You can generate a document by manually selecting tickets or by choosing a date range. Select the customer associated with the support activity. Select the ticket that you want to bill, and click Next. You can also select multiple completed tickets for the same customer. Review the sessions associated with the ticket. The billable duration is calculated using the remote support sessions recorded during the intervention. Check the device, start time, end time, total duration, and hourly rate. In the Additional Information section, you can enter an invoice reference and optional notes. The reference can contain an internal code, purchase order number, proforma reference, or another administrative identifier. When all the information is correct, click Generate. The generated billing information can be exported in PDF or XLSX format. Choose PDF to archive, print, share, or send the support summary to the customer or administration department. You have now completed the entire customer support workflow with Iperius Remote and Iperius One.